What's up and good morning, everyone. Where the heck? One day Vegas, one day San Jose, the next day we're in the freaking desert. We are with our good buddy Nicholas. First ride for today. Let's go. It's gonna get crazy, guys. Good luck, buddy.
All right, guys, we're going out. My first time out here. We've been this with X before, but never out in the desert. Woo! I like this.
Look at car meat. Look at this. Alright guys, I don't know if this is a good idea. We're gonna have Nick try to jump this. Not crazy. We don't want him to get hurt. We'll see what happens. We're out here on Chocolate Mountain. Look, it's picnic time with the buddy. Hey, check this out. Look at this. Inch and a half, you said? Inch and a half? Inch and 3/8. Sounds like a beast who went up the hill, no problem. You can do it! Yeah! Hey, what's this? Oh shit. Are you an ambassador or something?
Yeah.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Look, I met a Subaru guy, and he's an ambassador. They gave me free gear. So I hear they flip here. Here's pretty crazy. Damn, look at that. They call it the back door. Oh, shit. Jeez. Holy shit. Ooh. We climbed this mountain earlier and we found this area. Holy shit! Holy shit! Shit, he almost flipped that! Dude, he almost flipped the freaking Razor! Okay, no more, no more. That was so crazy. I got it on camera.
Oh my god.
Oh shit. We're gonna explore over there. Hey, that's the drop from earlier. To give you guys a perspective on how big the drop was. It's taller than me. Look, typical car guys. One can be working and everyone else is just drinking. You guys ready for some fireworks? Ready for some fireworks? I think he's gonna try it again. This one right here. Oh shit. Earlier they were going downhill. You guys are helping them out. Oh shit, we got double battle. Oh shit. Oh shit, this is a fucking drop. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Jeez. Okay, he's trying again. Got these guys up here helping out. Oh man. You break something? Oh damn. I don't know. Dude, like, this is an intense sport, dude. It's loud, it's noisy, it's dangerous. Oh shit, another one. Oh crap. This is one hell of a freaking spot to watch all this, Nick. Holy crap. You guys remember how tall that was? Oh shit. That was the craziest thing ever. Here he comes. I didn't know you're a JDM guy, Nick. You've got underglow. That's cool. He's not gonna make it. Look, check it out, guys. This is like a city, but it's not. We're in the middle of the desert. Hey guys, I'm just gonna end the vlog here, not to bore you. We're just gonna go to dinner, have some American food. I want some steak. But thanks for watching, guys. If you guys want more of this content, let me know. I plan to do a lot more interesting, fun stuff this year. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Boom! Hey guys, did you guys like it? I took a lot of time editing this because you guys know I love editing and filming a lot. It's kind of like been a passion of mine. When I started YouTube, it was just to get my creative spirits out of me, and now that I get all these crazy opportunities, these fun things, I freaking love it. But if you guys liked what you guys are seeing, this year I have some huge announcements for you guys, and since you're all the way to the end, I might as well tell you guys, I just signed a contract with NASCAR, which means I will be touring with them for about 6 events, maybe 7. If all goes well, I should be going to all of them if nothing pops up on me, and if all goes well, I might even be touring with Formula Drift, and of course Autocon, and of course, who knows where I'll go this year. It's a good year, 2018, I'm coming strong. This is for content for my life, not necessarily for YouTube. It's just, you guys know I have a terrible memory, and it's really nice to be able to watch these videos when I come back, when I'm old. I'm already old, and watch what we did throughout our years. So if you guys want to join me on this journey, definitely share it. Hit the subscribe button, and obviously the like button. Don't forget the notification. This will give me an opportunity to share my life with you guys. I love you guys like always. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.